here. So that's what I'm pointing for, or aiming for. A lot of these blind corners. Can't really see the track. And then there's the start finish. Hard brake here, or not hard brake, just slight braking. Over and up. That is blind left. Brake. That's why I wanted to make sure you're going to be comfortable.
Yeah. I feel like the smaller one would probably even be better.
Even though it hurt.
Well, I don't know if it'll hurt when I'm on the track, if that makes sense.
Yeah. So like I can't pass this guy unless he gives me the pull by. There we go. So that's the safety aspect of it.
Yeah. That's what you've been doing with your hand out the window?
Yes.
Yeah. Is that an F1 car?
No, that's called a Radical.
A Radical?
Yep, it is a single seat car.
Yeah.
But it is, it does not have a lot of horsepower. It's not technically open wheel.
Oh, okay.
Like that Miata right there does like 160 horsepower, which is not a lot.
The little thing doesn't?
No, I just mean like I've let that Miata pass because they can take corners faster.
Yeah.
Even though I'll be able to catch them here,
Yeah.
right? I still wanted to get them on the line so I'm not moving them off.
Yeah.
And honestly, right now I can take it a little easy because there's nobody really behind me while there's somebody coming up. And then I just want to give them a little more space.
Yeah.
Just instantly giving this guy a little high. There we go.
I also like I watched the Grand Tour. I was into cars for like a minute. So I know a little bit. But it was never like a passion of mine.
Sure. Still doing good?
Yeah.
Awesome. If by any chance, I forgot to mention this earlier, if at any point you feel like you're going to throw up, there's a puke bag in the glove box. Grab it, just dump it under your helmet.
Hey, you're like, don't throw them all over my car.
I would not appreciate that.
You're like, I will never forgive you.
I'll forgive you. I would just never invite you back. My friend DJ at Mid-Ohio puked in the car and held it in his mouth and like did one of these. But even though he held it in his mouth, I could still smell it.
Oh,
So
gross.
I could, like, I almost puked. It's not a good time.
No, definitely not. Yeah, I was gonna say I never wanted to be a race car driver, but I did want to be a fighter pilot.
Yeah.
So I have done some of those like testing things.
Okay.
I forgot about that. Where they like throw you in the G-force nugget,
Yeah.
try and make you throw up.
Yeah.
I was like, I did, however, just recover from my concussion, which I probably should have told you before I got the car.
Well, that's why I wanted to make sure you had the right size helmet.
Yeah. Well, I flipped over my scooter.
Oh.
Yeah. It was raining, and I'm not supposed to ride it in the rain.
Well, now you know why.
Yep.
The session's over. I don't know if you saw the checker.
Yeah.
We're just gonna
One more round and then off the track.
just kind of take it at like highway speeds. Like
Oh.
right now we're only doing 74. 80. So, you know, highway speeds.
I was doing 87 all the way here, so.
Kind of let the car cool down, get the brakes,
You don't,
so you kind of breathe.
so you don't park your hot.
Yeah. Well, it's going to be hot, but less hot. Parking less hot, yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
I thought you were race crazy.